Welcome back to another Experience Widener powered by Modern Campus Involve tutorial video. In this video, we're going to be going over how to create a deposit in the system. As always, please visit widener.presence.io, log in using your Widener credentials, and join the admin dashboard to get started. As a reminder, only presidents and treasurers will have access to this area in addition with your advisors. Now let's get started. I'm going to click over into navigation and go to the Finance tab. And then you're going to come up to the top right-hand corner and you're going to click on Create. From here, you're going to click into Deposit. The first thing that you want to do anytime that you are doing a deposit is go to LIPCA Hall. The first step is to take the actual funds, any checks, anything that you might have, bring it over to LIPCA and get it deposited into your student account. From there, LIPCA will give you a receipt that is either handwritten or a printout, and you're going to need that to be able to submit this form. So once you've gone over to LIPCA, you're going to click on Yes, and then you're going to follow this outline as best as you can. So you're going to start with organization name. So we're going to say Active Minds. You're going to give an event title. So this is going to be Potted Plants for Mental Health. You're going to then select a budget that it's going to be deposited into. Really important thing is that you are never going to select your student activities fund for this. You will only ever make deposits if it is going into your fundraising account. So what does that mean? You're going to click on this plus sign next to your organization's name, because if you put it just in your organization's name, you won't be able to access those funds. So we're going to go fundraising for Active Minds. The deposited amount, let's say this was $23.70. You're going to go ahead and type that in exactly as it was deposited into your university account. Description of funds: we collected these funds from a donation box at our event. Then you're going to upload the attachment from LIPCA Hall. Incredibly important. That attachment has to be uploaded in order for us to approve it, because otherwise we'd have no confirmation of where that money is and whether you deposited it or not. So you will take a moment to scan your receipt. Those of you who have Androids, I'm not sure if you have this option, but in our notepads for Apple users, there's an option for you to scan it. If you don't have that option, you can just take a photo of it. We just want to make sure that it is officially deposited in your account. Then you're going to see the deposit total below. Scroll up to the top and you'll click Submit for approval. Once this goes through, you'll be all set and ready to go. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your Student Government Association. The SGA office is located on the lower level of the University Center, and the Finance Committee is more than happy to walk you through any of these steps during their office hours. In addition, you can email widenersga@widener.edu for more information.